Welcome to NFA Drafting. Today we're going to go over dimensioning best practices. Once you have all three projections drawn, now you can start adding dimensions. We're going to start by adding our major dimensions, which are our height, width, and depth. Here I'm drawing my extension lines 1/16 away from my object. It's a good habit to get into centering your dimensions in between your extension lines. Please make sure that you're always drawing your dimension lines with a straight edge. Where your dimension line touches the extension line, you must include an arrow. The approximate dimensions for these arrows are 3:1 length to width ratio. When we add our dimensions, please make sure that they are unidirectional, meaning for vertical dimensions, we're writing them the same direction as horizontal dimensions. Once we have all of our major dimensions labeled, now we can go in and start adding secondary dimensions to all the necessary locations. As you can see, every line that I draw, I am using a straight edge. Nothing should be free-handed. Finally, to label the depth of this hole, what I'm going to do is only put one extension line, because the left extension line would go right on top of the object line, and we do not need to add an extra line on top of that object line.